Guys, I'm breaking in the fiber wrap. I got the green fiber wrap for the scooter here from my Mad Dog Ice Bear. And anyway, if you don't know, when you first do fiber wrap, it has a smoking process that it does, but if you look closely, you can see it's actually green. I wonder if that's safe to inhale green smoke. But yeah, that's just funny. But yeah, I just went a little quick ride. This is the second ride, second warm up on this pipe here, and I just rode it. But you know, I can touch it real quick like that and not get burned. It's hot, but I can touch it and not get burned. You know, I don't get burned. But it's hot though. If I double wrapped it, it would be even cooler. But I believe that's a 50-foot piece that I did on there. Maybe 25 foot, I'm not sure, you guys. I'm not organized, but look at that green smoke. It's crazy. So I'll keep riding this and make sure all the green smoke is gone before I sell it, but just something interesting. Green smoke.